Since 2003, Molzym has developed and produced high-quality products for molecular microbial analysis, serving more than 400 prestigious university hospitals and private laboratories worldwide, together with a wide network of distributors. Molzym is dedicated to provide best-in-class solutions, encompassing diagnostic kits, research reagents, and automated solutions. Its unique technology is the step forward to ensure precision diagnostics towards precision medicine. If blood culture is the gold standard for the identification of pathogens, results are often long to obtain and potentially negative due to antibiotics or fastidious microorganisms. MolYsis is a unique host DNA depletion technology for microbial DNA enrichment, enhancing direct molecular analysis workflow. Molzym's diagnostic workflow can be explained in 4 steps. 99% of host DNA is depleted in order to isolate enriched microbial DNA. First, host cells are lysed and all free DNA degraded. Then, the intact bacterial and fungal cells are lysed and the released DNA purified. Eluids are analysed by broad-range 16S and 18S PCR assays, and positive PCR samples are applied to Sanger sequencing. Identification of pathogens up to species level is done by blast search. Up to 1,300 bacteria and fungi have been identified so far. Molzym's fast and accurate diagnostic solutions are culture-independent, free of reagent-borne contaminations, and applicable for the identification of pathogens from a great variety of specimens in just 7 hours. The broad-range approach helps clinicians to rapidly identify causes of severe infections and rare pathogens. With its unique molecular diagnostic solutions, Molzym brings complete and automated products to healthcare professionals to efficiently manage microbial infections. Molzym, your partner of choice for high-quality molecular analysis towards precision diagnostics.